Right, it's the Ampol at Pheasant's Nest, the twin servos on both sides of the freeway. We've got some planter box infills on either side of the entry, and then inside we've got some more planter box with artificial plants. So to finish that off, we've just used the StoneSet gravel just to infill, so it's a permanent structure. It looks good. It's pretty straightforward, just a matter of mixing the resin in with the stone, mixing it up, transfer it a couple of trubs, mix it, and then just tip it on, trowel it on. It goes on very simply. It's just timing. Projects like this have ridiculous hours, so everything's last minute. It would have been a challenge, so we just end up doing it ourselves. Well, particularly in a cafe environment, there's kids everywhere, there's a playground. Kids love throwing stones. They generally collect them and put them in piles and make a mess, so just for cleanliness too. People often leave rubbish, so it's just easier for cleaning and it's pretty straightforward, yeah.
Would you recommend the StoneSet DIY kits?
Yes, definitely. Yeah, I mean, they're easy to use. I did most of it myself, but anyone can pretty much do it, so